Hello everyone, thanks for coming back to the channel. The title for today's video is Why I Stopped Posting on Pinterest. Keep watching and I'll give you my thoughts after the break. Hi everyone, if you've not subscribed already, today's topic, why I stopped posting on Pinterest. And there are three reasons I'm going to discuss with you today. So first of all, Pinterest. Let's go to Pinterest. Let me go to a video. I want to show you a reference. Created a video in April 2018, just called The Power of Pinterest. At the time of that video's creation, I just spent quite a few months intensively working on Pinterest. And now I haven't, since that time, haven't really used Pinterest. So here's my profile. You can see I've got all of these notifications. I'm going to go through these notifications live. I think it's people just posting some activities of the people that I'm connected to. Lots of people followed my boards. And you can see my views or impressions, even though I haven't done anything. They've gone down a lot. I think my business hub now, if I come out of the updates, because I'm not going to go through all the updates live, but you can see the sort of updates they are. Some pins suggested, some people repinning. So my monthly viewers has gone down to 5,000, and that's obviously with no activity. I've still got 2,800 followers. What I've found, and this is the first reason that I stopped posting on Pinterest, was Pinterest is a lot of work. First of all, you have to post the pins. You can post the pins either using a tool like Tailwind, and I mentioned Tailwind in that video that I referred to, and that will schedule some pins for you, but you've still got to go into Tailwind and then schedule them ahead of time. So you might schedule the next 100 pins. In addition to that, you may also have to, and you do actually have to manually pin. So there's a lot of activity, and here's some of my most recent pins, and these were months ago. You can see these were actually years ago. That was from learnmoney.io. Those of you who are subscribers will know that website, how to stop emotional spending. So you can see you've got to pin via Tailwind, you've got to pin manually, and then you should really engage with all of the comments that come in, and the sort of suggestions for connections and joining new pinning groups, etc. Should be doing that on a daily basis. And why would you do that? I outlined this in the video that I referred to, the Power of Pinterest traffic tips. The reason you would do that is because you can increase the number of page views to your website. The thinking behind it is more page views, obviously that's more traffic. A greater audience means you're gonna, if you're a business, you're likely to get more leads, prospects. Depends on the nature of your business, of course, but you're likely to get more leads and prospects. Or if you're writing a blog that depends on advertising revenue, more page views is good because you will get more revenue from the advertising network that you're using. The more page views, the more traffic, they'll give you more revenue. So that's the thinking behind it. What I found to be the case was I would get more page views, and that's good, but I run a consulting or professional services business, work content marketing and social media for professional services businesses, and more pinning, more page views was not leading to any more clients. No more clients were coming on retainer because of pinning, new pins on Pinterest. So although I can attest to the fact that it increased traffic to the website, so I think during the test period, traffic to the website went up 20%, which is very good, and that's around the time I made that video. But that traffic did not convert into new retained clients. If you're in the consulting business, clients that you work with on a retained basis are the sort of bedrock of your business. So lots of activity on Pinterest, lots of work, takes up a lot of sort of manpower hours, leading to increased traffic, but the traffic did not lead to new clients. So those are the first two reasons. A lot of work, and then not a real return on the time invested. And I haven't even mentioned, for one moment, let me just do this. It's not just using Tailwind or posting on Pinterest. You also have to join lots of Facebook groups. Here's an example of one of the Facebook groups I joined. Post your pins, your new blog content and the pins in the Facebook groups. The Facebook group people then support you, and you in return have to support their pins, their blogs when they post them. So massive amount of activity, and some people could spend their whole days posting on Pinterest, creating new pins. First of all, writing blog posts, creating new pins relating to the blog post, posting those pins using Tailwind, posting new pins manually, posting in Facebook to let people know about your new pins, supporting your new blog posts. Whoa, a lot of work. And a lot of work. And if you're maybe in the craft or the mummy blogger, maybe then all your work pays off in terms of increased advertising revenue, increased interaction with your links if you're running an affiliate marketing program activity. So maybe it pays off. But in my sector, business consulting or content marketing, social media for B2B businesses, it didn't pay off. And I found, and this is the third reason, I found that there were other platforms that were far more fruitful in terms of prospecting. So those other platforms, and I'm just going to my YouTube channel here, you can see those other platforms were LinkedIn, Twitter, and YouTube. Those are the three principal platforms that bring in more leads, real leads for an agency business, rather than Pinterest. That is my personal experience. So some people, this is not to say Pinterest is a bad platform. It's not a bad platform. Lots of people are doing well on it, and they've had a lot of success. But are you achieving the objectives you want? If you're not, then perhaps you need to reconsider. And that's what I did with Pinterest. I just reconsidered it because I thought, wow, I'm on LinkedIn, and LinkedIn is giving me a much better. This is the company page, Marketing Fundamentals Limited. So I'm having a lot of success there in terms of generating leads. This is my personal profile. So if you want to connect with me here. So in terms of the conversations we're having with leads and prospects on LinkedIn, this is my profile has been very useful in generating those leads, as has the content that I've been posting through my profile and through the company page. So LinkedIn, far more effective from my perspective than Pinterest. YouTube also is generating leads. People watch a YouTube video and then contact me either via email or on LinkedIn messaging. And also Twitter. Twitter has that 24-hour newsfeed feel to it, which means that you can always be on, and you can always generate leads and prospects by circulating or reposting evergreen content that you've originated either on your YouTube channel or on your company blog. And marketingfundamentals.com would be my company blog. So those I wanted this to be quite quick. Those are the reasons why I stopped posting on Pinterest. As I say, for some people, Pinterest is working really well. For my business, other platforms overtook Pinterest in terms of effectiveness: LinkedIn, Twitter, and of course YouTube. You're watching this on YouTube. Thanks for watching all the way through. If you've not subscribed already, this video, give me a like. Click on one of the two screenshots to watch another video. I look forward to speaking to you next time. Thanks. Bye bye.